Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at L6 puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Alexander Majoric from Slovakia and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with absolutely fantastic quality. L6 puzzle has difficulty level 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the object of the puzzle is to fit all parts inside the frame in such a way that the opening will be covered and there will be no sticking out parts. And you may ask me why this puzzle has its name L6, and it is quite simple, since it has 6 L-shaped parts. They are all exactly the same. Even the cutout of the frame has L shape as well. But the frame is quite tricky, since it looks quite a regular shape with a regular frame with L-shaped cut, but as you can see, there are a couple of restrictions inside, since, for example, you can't use this voxel on the left. Inside it is covered with the frame piece, and there is another one on the bottom. It is on the bottom left part in the middle. So there are two voxels that you can't use, and if you count voxels of all parts, there are 4 in each part. That means 24 voxels plus 2 that you can't use. That means that when you assemble all 6 parts, you're gonna have only 1 voxel left, which is gonna allow you to move parts, and that's it. So this is a pretty tight packing puzzle where you have to fit all parts inside, and that's gonna be quite a complicated one, since it is not easy to find the correct orientation of all parts inside, since you have not only to put them inside but also move them inside to figure out the correct spot for each piece. If you like L6 puzzle designed by Alexander Majoric and made by Pelikan and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.